This is the tax shield demo for the EIC checklist Form 8867. Once all income and necessary forms are added to the return, Form 8867 must be complete. The form will populate on the left side of your screen, and all you have to do is double-click to open. Once in the form, you can double-click on the answers to fill the question box. If you notice, there are questions that must be answered. Number 7 must be answered as no. If the client has a dependent, they must complete Part 2. The answer to number 10 is yes. The answer to number 13A should be no. If the client does not have a dependent, you can skip Part 2 and complete Part 3. The answers for number 16 should be yes, and the answer for number 18 should be no. In Part 4, all should be completed, and in Part 4, all of them should be completed for all returns. The answer for number 20 would be yes. For number 22, the answer should be yes unless the dependent is the client's child, then choose does not apply. For number 23, the answer should be does not apply. The answer for number 24 should be yes. And the answer for 25 should be yes, if you added notes in the system. Be sure to become familiar with the questions on the Due Diligence Form 8867 before answering the questions. The answers above will allow your client to receive the EIC credit. Be sure to be truthful answering the questions above. The IRS is subject to ask for documentation to prove anything you put on the Form 8867. And this concludes the demo.